I was repairing the road on the side when this old man came running over and asked if I could dig a hole for him. I didn't know what he needed the hole for. Since this area is a bit off, I decided to do some repairs first and wait for more people to help with the digging. I also cleared the obstructing tree branches. I asked him where he wanted the hole dug, and he said just in front of this location. There was extra soil here, so I took the opportunity to fill up the road as well. The road was a bit uneven during the repair, so I leveled it out. At this point, I finally understood why the old man wanted to dig a hole here. He said he wanted to dig a deep hole and then build a cowshed on top of it, like the old cowsheds used to be. He planned to build a wooden platform over the hole for the cows to defecate on, letting the waste fall directly into the pit. That's probably what he had in mind. We'll move the excess soil to the back and pile it up there. Let's tidy up the surroundings a bit to make it look better. It doesn't matter if it looks good or not, but we must be meticulous in what we do. Regardless of the scale, our work should be neatly done and pleasing to the eye. This is where the animals defecate. It doesn't really matter whether it's leveled or not. But I have a bit of OCD, so I feel uncomfortable if it's not leveled. I also need to sweep away the animal footprints to make it look smooth. We dug a trench here because the water from behind the house flows down this road. Finally we climbed up. Let's level this pile of soil a bit more. Actually, whether we level it or not doesn't matter, but for the sake of appearance, I'll tidy it up a bit. It won't take much time either. I smoothed out all the imprints on the face panel. Finally, level out the soil on the road. Once it's done, it will look beautiful.